What if I told you there's a tool on your computer right now that people are using to make $500 a month, working just a few hours a week without showing their face, without any special skills, and without spending more than $5 to get started? That tool is ElevenLabs. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how ordinary people are doing it right now. ElevenLabs is the world's most advanced AI voice generator. It creates human-sounding voices so realistic that listeners genuinely cannot tell the difference. And smart people have figured out multiple ways to turn that technology into consistent monthly income. Here are the best ones. Method number 1. Faceless YouTube channels. This is exactly what you're watching right now. Creators are using ElevenLabs to produce entire YouTube channels without ever showing their face or recording their own voice. Pick a niche: AI tools, finance, motivation, true crime. Write a script, generate the voiceover with ElevenLabs, add stock footage, upload. Channels doing this consistently are earning between $200 and $1,000 per month purely from YouTube ad revenue. The best part, once the videos are up, they earn money forever. Method number 2, audiobook narration. The audiobook market is worth over $5 billion and growing every year. Authors desperately need their books converted to audio, but professional narrators charge thousands of dollars. You can use ElevenLabs to narrate entire books at a fraction of the cost, list them on platforms like ACX and Findaway Voices, and earn royalties every single month. One audiobook can earn passive income for years. Creators doing this consistently report earning between $300 and $800 per month from their audiobook catalog alone. Method number 3, selling voiceovers on Fiverr. Businesses, YouTubers, and advertisers are constantly looking for professional voiceover work. They don't know or care whether it's a human voice or an AI voice. They just need it to sound great. Set up a Fiverr gig offering voiceover services, use ElevenLabs to deliver orders in minutes, and charge between $30 and $100 per project. With just 5 to 10 orders per month, you're already hitting your $500 target. Some sellers are doing 10 times that. Method number 4, AI podcast production. Businesses and personal brands want podcasts but have no time to record them. You offer a done-for-you podcast service. They send you a topic or script, you generate a professional-sounding episode using ElevenLabs, edit it, and deliver a ready-to-publish audio file. Charge between $50 and $200 per episode. Land just 3 clients doing 2 episodes per month each, and you've hit your $500 goal, with room to scale much further. Method number 5, YouTube Shorts automation. Short-form content is exploding right now, and ElevenLabs makes it incredibly easy to produce at scale. Write a 30-second script, generate the voice in ElevenLabs, pair it with stock footage in CapCut, and post 3 to 5 shorts per day. Creators doing this are hitting millions of views within weeks and earning through the YouTube Shorts bonus program. One viral short can earn more in a week than most people earn in a month. Now here's what I want you to understand. None of these methods require talent. None of them require experience. None of them require showing your face or spending thousands of dollars. What they require is consistency and action. The people making $500 a month with ElevenLabs aren't special. They just started. And they kept going when others quit. The tool costs $5 a month. The opportunity is worth far more than that. I'm going to be dropping a complete step-by-step tutorial on each of these methods on this channel. So if you want to follow along and build your own income stream with AI tools, subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. And comment below. Which of these 5 methods are you going to try first? I read and reply to every single comment. See you in the next one.